Welcome to the Money Tree Firm channel. Republic First Bank, which operated under the holding company Republic First Bancorp, was founded in 1988. Republic First Bank was a state-chartered commercial bank headquartered in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York. It was seized on Friday, April 26, 2024, by the Department of Banking and Securities. It was the first bank failure this year. Alton Bank takes over nearly 3,000 in assets and accounts and will reopen under their name. Checks, debit cards, and ATMs will be operating normally. Loan payments will be on schedule. So what does the bank and a boat have in common? When faced with a storm, they will both sink. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. See you at the finish line. Money Tree Gang.